What's up everybody, Bubba D's here, and today we're going to be doing some cracked chicken pasta in the Instant Pot, of course. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instant Pot? So let's get started. First you're going to need 2 pounds of boneless chicken, nicely chopped up into medium-sized or small-sized cubes. Then we're going to go ahead and turn our Instant Pot onto Sauté so we can actually brown that chicken just a little bit. It's going to take a little bit for it to warm up or heat up. We're going to go ahead and put in our 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use whatever you like pretty much. Then from there we're going to go ahead and drop our chicken in. You'll know that it's nice and hot because you'll hear a nice little sizzling to the pan. And we're going to try to give our chicken as much color as possible for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so it turns a nice slight brown color to it. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and put in 2 pounds of dry penne pasta. And we can start adding in our liquids. So we'll go with 3 cups of chicken broth. You can use low sodium or organic, it's completely up to you. And that's just the remaining 1 cup. So we're going to give that a little bit of a mix. We'll go ahead and put in our water. And we're going to be putting in 2 cups of water. Now I'm using the 6-quart Instant Pot. This will work perfectly fine in the 6 or 8. We'll go ahead and put on our lid. And then from there, you always want to make sure that our steaming valve is sealed. So we'll go ahead and turn our Instant Pot all the way to 4 minutes on manual high pressure. Now if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel, click on that little bell so you get notifications whenever I post a new video. And before you know it, our meal's almost ready. So I'm going to go ahead and release the valve, give it a little bit of time, and then we'll go ahead and open it up. Give our noodles a mix, just to kind of separate them. And then from there we can add our 1 package or 8 ounces of cream cheese. I chopped them up into small cubes so it's a little bit easier to mix them in. And then we want to go ahead and add our 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You can use cheddar, you can use marble. I'm using an old jaw cheddar, so it's a little bit more of a richer taste. And 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, whatever you have around. If you like the taste of ranch dressing, you can put a little bit more. And of course, some chopped bacon. This is optional. You don't necessarily need to do that if you don't want it. And we'll give it a complete mix. And there you have it. There's our cracked chicken pasta in the Instant Pot. I can tell you that kids love this, and I'm sure you'll love it as well. Have yourself a good day.